FeastTV, and look at this, isn't this fantastic? The tram, the best Adelaide tram in Adelaide, is sporting our wonderful Gertrude Glossop and the Feast logo all over the city. Every time you see this tram, toot for Feast. Check it out, Gertrude Glossop on the tram, the Feast logo proudly on the tram, and surely every time you catch a tram you do run the beautiful serendipitous risk of meeting your life partner, so get on the tram.